Hello friends, this is Sai Farendra from SQL School, and I assure you complete practical, completely real-time training operations on this wonderful, colorful Azure Data Engineering course. Come on, let's get into our actual details of this Azure Data Engineering course number 7 out of all 12 courses at our school. And the prerequisites, yes, we need to have some prior knowledge on basics of SQL and SQL Server. Basic knowledge should be fine, especially to deal with the Synapse databases and few migrations, imports and export operations. And also, especially the Synapse database that sits inside SQL Server, we require Transact SQL. And Synapse being the more important component in our entire vast course curriculum that was designed as per the DP 200-201 certification examination patterns. DP 201 focus more on the design and planning activities, whereas DP 200 focus more on implementation activities. So one is design and planning, other one is implementation, and the technologies are same. That includes Cosmos, Synapse, data lake storage, data factory, stream analytics, bricks, and blob storage. So keeping in mind our certification requirements and the job work and the resume requirements, we came up with 3 different plans, and you would choose one out of these 3. Plan A, core Azure data engineer, that includes all concepts right from the basics of Azure and fundamentals. Or plan B, that includes SQL, TSQL queries as well. Or plan C, that includes Power BI, SQL, data engineer, and Power BI. These 3. And apart from this, the concepts that we need to talk about. Yes, we'll start from the very basics of Azure fundamentals to Active Directory, key vaults, functions, and service principles. Base activities first. Then we'll talk about SQL database, Synapse, data factory, storage, data lake storage for big data and data lake analytics that supports USQL. And we have stream analytics with Internet of Things and event hubs. And we have the Databricks and analytics with Spark clusters and Cosmos DB that supports NoSQL. The course starts with fundamentals and ends with an implementation of a real-world project, end-to-end implementation. As per the lab plan, that includes various components, a 6 weeks lengthy course that runs weekly 5 days, Monday to Friday, or you may opt for the weekend course that will be spanning approximately about 8 weekends, weekly 4 to 5 hours, and 8 weekends, Saturday, Sundays. And apart from this, we assure you complete practical training on our classes, no doubt about it. We are here in Azure environment for quite some time, so we are fine with all the material, examples, and we collected a lot of feedback from the previous participants to shape up the curriculum in a careful, detailed way. Right from the basics to data factory, Synapse, data lake storage, Databricks, Cosmos, and inside the journey, we'll talk about Azure functions, key vaults, and lot of other technical activities including KQL, custom query language, and we have Python, Scala, and SQL and Power BI integration activities. You would be able to download this course curriculum from the link available beneath this video, and we look forward for your course registration, either live or 24/7 on-demand video, wherein I will be available for your doubts, clarifications, even it is for video training, complete support, or you may also opt for the in-house training. Our team is available 24/7 to address the questions pertaining to your course registration. Thank you very much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.